They finally came. Today's video is an unboxing of the Air Max 1 Clot Kiss of Death. Let's go. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You guys don't understand how excited I am. This shoe finally came in. It has been a while since I actually copped it. We had a ton of shipping errors, delays, but it's finally here, and today we're unboxing the Air Max 1 Clot Kiss of Death fire shoe, limited shoe that came out. I know a lot of people were trying to grab this one, but I'm very excited that we got it in hand today. I'm gonna break down the shoe today. Before we get into that, of course, smash that subscribe button for your boy. Leave a like on this video. Pushes this channel and this video out to those people who are trying to find people who are kind of doing unboxings like me, or just sneakerheads in general trying to find more content to watch. Make sure to leave that like for your boy. And today, like I said, we're breaking down this shoe. If you guys haven't seen an unboxing video in the past, basically what I do is pull out the shoe. We're gonna give like kind of the release details on the shoe, how I copped the shoe, a little bit of history as well. We'll unbox it, go through materials, give you guys some fire B-roll as well, break down my thoughts on the shoe, materials, like I said, stuff like that. And then we will later get into a resale guide, letting you guys know if you should sell the shoe, hold it, as well as some advice if you guys are trying to cop for personal reasons. But other than that, I'm just excited. Let's break this out. Like I said, this video is coming pretty late because I actually hit on the first Juice Store app raffle that was clear back, I think it was February 26th is when I hit on the shoe. Yeah, it's been over a month, but we had a ton of errors and shipping, some big delays. I'm honestly lucky to have them in hand right now, but I am excited I can still do an unboxing for you guys. I did want to get them out early for you guys, clear back in February, early March before they released here in the US, but just excited that we have them in hand today. Like I said, we're first going to talk about kind of the release of the shoe, and then I'll actually take the shoe out and go through materials. So like I said, retailed at $150, the Air Max 1 Kiss of Death. These originally first released February 26th, Juice Store app had the raffle. That's how I hit on them. And then there were rumors that they're going to drop more stock in the US at some other retailers. And they finally did. A month later, March 27th, we had the Nike sneakers release. Not many other retailers, if any at all, really dropped these shoes. I think Juice Store did another like email raffle as well as a local raffle in LA, but not a lot of stock was allocated basically anywhere. However, Resell has absolutely fallen on these. It has been obliterated, kind of like Gonzaga just got obliterated. And these ones are crazy though. I'm very excited to have these in hand. When I took them out of the box, they're fire. I love them. But like I said, Resell just died on them. They were out 500, 600 in most sizes, and now they're at about 250 to 300, almost cut like in half. And I guess just not a lot of people have liked them since they've seen them in hands. I really do like them. I think there's a couple things I'd change about them, but other than that, I think they're a fire shoe. I think they did a good job. Also, there's been a couple different announcements of some other colorways coming out. We'll talk about those colors later with the resale guide, but first let's just take these shoes out. Taking a look at the box, it's not like just a typical normal box. You have this white stripe on the top of the shoe that goes through the Nike sign. At first it kind of just looks like a sticker there, but the Nike sign's actually blocked off, which is cool. You have the Clout symbols all over the box, as well as some traditional Chinese writing on the side, and then this like woven rope looking material as well all around the top of the box. This shoe draws a lot of inspiration from traditional Chinese like philosophy and medicine. So you have on the inside different symbols, characters for different parts of the human body right there. The subtle details all around the shoe is what really makes the shoe a fire collab. I thought they did a very good job. And I mean, look at these. Sheesh. These things are fire. I had a lot of people that love that like tan brownish upper right there. Definitely love that part, but the outsole is what kills it for me. That is a fire outsole. It really does have to do with the traditional Chinese like medicine philosophy that kind of goes into the design of the shoe. And these shoes actually released 15 years ago. I'm pretty sure it was 15 years ago. Edison Chen with Clout released these shoes, and they're finally making the comeback. I remember DJ Khaled posted that photo of him holding the shoes out, and that was kind of like everyone went crazy when they saw these were re-releasing. And so again, like I said, get them in hand, just even see them, fire. So like I mentioned, this shoe has a lot of ties to like Chinese medicine, philosophy, and really a huge common practice overseas, which is foot reflexology, which you can kind of tell on the outsole. They give a lot of details on how this works. They have the different parts of the foot numbered into different like stress points and things like that, which is what is used in foot reflexology. So again, another subtle, nice detail, as well as on the insole. You can kind of see it right there, but they have different symbols and characters which show like where the corresponding things happen there. So again, the details on the shoe is really what makes it stand out from other shoes. Looking at the shoe closer, above this palette on the bottom is this kind of subdued tan suede upper, which I know a lot of people love. And then you also have the red kind of snakeskin swoosh as well, subtle details. I didn't really notice it was snakeskin until now. On the back as well, you have that rope design which goes into the clout symbol on the back. And then like I said, the outsole is just amazing. I love the details on it. The numbered parts of the foot is just so sweet. The most interesting detail for sure is this see-through perforated window toe box that you can see the inside anatomy, but not a lot of people like it. Interesting perforations on the toe box is just kind of weird for me. I don't know. I like that it kind of shows that it's supposed to be see-through to the toe to show more characters and symbols of the actual foot reflexology, but I don't know how I feel about it. I'm 100% sure that if they just closed that off, made it the same kind of suede upper on the toe box, that it would be an even better shoe, and I think Resell would be flying on these. But again, this is a shoe that toe box really does kind of kill. I know people like the toe box. I'm just not trying to look at my toes right there all day when I look down. Toes are gross. I don't know if it ruins the shoe for me that much, but it kind of does, because the rest of it looks fire. And it's just kind of sad they did make that different. I do like that it's a different detail, that it's something that really hasn't been done before, but it just doesn't look good. Again, toes. Again, like I said, Resell predictions and guides, I'm gonna put them out there for you guys to help you guys, but Resell has tanked. As we look at this 2006 pair, I mean, sizes have definitely bricked. There's not very many OG pairs left, as you can see, 8, 9, 10, 11. But sales aren't too high. You can see that last sale was just $646. So I mean, not a lot of people are wanting the OG pair too much. I don't think there's a lot of pairs in circulation anyways. It was 15 years ago. But this one, as the 2021 version, sheesh, you can see prices have just absolutely tanked. Most of them are about 200. We could say 200 is a good medium for all the sizes, which is not good at all. If you're selling on apps, 200, you'll take away the fees, get you about 170 to 180, and retail these are about 170 to 180. So they are complete bricks right now after an insane prices. As you can see, some of the prices. Let's see if we can load up some of these. There's a lot of sales though. Volume is very high. It's gonna take me a while, but volume is high on the shoes. I know a lot of people want them, but clear back then you can see these sales just when they dropped on Clot. You can see 500, 467, 529, like they were up there. And then as the releases started to happen, you can see people started to see the shoes, and eventually they've just hit under and they just continue to go down. Now, as far as the future of this shoe, it is going to be one that will take a while to rebound. I do expect it to rebound. I think people will kind of want it over time. I think it's a nice summer shoe, as the perforations in the shoe do allow for some more breathability, and of course the design is iconic. And so I think there'll be people out there, but investment guide, I would not go in on these shoes. I think there's a lot better things you could do with your money as far as releases coming out and things like that. Like, I'd rather throw a couple extra bucks into some Raging Bulls coming out. If you guys didn't see that last video, go check that one out. But these ones are going to be one that I wouldn't specifically throw money in to invest. Now, as far as people who have these shoes that copped them kind of like me and don't know what you want to do with them, don't know if you want them for personal, if you're trying to sell, honestly, they're not too expensive. That if you're not super low on capital and you're chilling, I would definitely just throw these in the closet and forget about them. Unless you need the money, because this is a shoe that will go up slowly over time because of how iconic the colorway, the actual shoe is, especially because there's a couple more Clot Air Max ones coming out. We had the like brown, I think it's the chalk color coming out, and then I also saw a neutral gray one that's supposed to come out. So I don't know if that's kind of hurt the resale on these ones, saying that, oh, there's more available ones coming out that maybe people like more, but they still have the toe box the same. And so investment wise, if you guys have the shoe, I would honestly just throw it in the closet, forget about it, and pray with your boy that it just flies in the future, because it's a huge brick right now. And so I don't think a lot of people want to kind of just return them or anything like that. As far as those that are trying to get a personal, buy these now. Prices are great if you're trying to get a personal in these. If you need an 11, I mean, hit me up, you never know. But anyone trying to get a personal, I would definitely look to cop these ASAP. That's gonna do it for the video today. Again, let me know what you guys think about these shoes. I like them. Like I said, the toe box is just a little weird for me. I put them on, but they aren't bad at all, and I would definitely cop them if the toe box was a little different. But again, thank you guys for all the support today. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys again for all the support, and we will see you guys next time.